Hello, my name is Jan. I'm from Sendsteps and I want to help you quick start your Sendsteps presentation in PowerPoint. Once you made an account and you downloaded the add-in into your PowerPoint, you will find the Sendsteps add-in on all your PowerPoint presentations. On the new ones, like you see over here, a new blank sheet, or also on existing PowerPoint presentations. And Sendsteps you find here on the top of the ribbon. And if you click there, you see that a few possibilities pop up, and we will first of all focus on adding a question to your presentation. The next pop-up will give you a few possibilities to put into your presentation. For example, a quiz question, a multiple choice question, or a word cloud, or an open-ended question. So there are a lot of possibilities. We will not go into all of them right now, but I want to go for the multiple choice question. So click the button there, and then you will get a pop-up where you can fill in the question and the answers. So you type in a question, giving the answers, and then add the question to your PowerPoint. Save the language, and there you go. So you see that there will be added 3 slides to your presentation. First of all, the explanation slide. This is a slide where your audience can scan the QR code or see the URL where they go to, and the login code they have to type in over there. The next one is the question I asked, what is the best time of the year? And the answers, and this is an example of answers given. If you start your presentation, also put it in the slideshow modus, like here, then is the time that this will disappear and you can start off your presentation. So let's say we want also put a word cloud in this presentation. Then we go to add question again, select a word cloud, type in the question and add the question to the presentation. And then you see that the question is in your slide deck, and then you can simply start your presentation and people can log in and vote. I hope this was helpful for you. Just start and try it out yourself, and I'm sure you will find out. And otherwise, always welcome to contact us at support@sendsteps.com.